morning everyone, welcome to Madam E YouTube channel. Today we have to add windshield washer fluids in this Mercedez C300 2009, and it doesn't matter what kind of windshield fluid you're gonna put. There's no restriction on putting windshield washer in this one. Okay, so all you have to do is to open this lever here, and it's already open. I already opened before. I'll turn off the engine. There you go. Okay guys, that was the key. This is so easy, girls, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, and the windshield washer reservoir is very easy to locate.
You can see this like a fountain right there, like a sprinkler. You can open that and look at my windshield washer is here. There's no liquid there, guys, so we're gonna put windshield washer fluids there, guys. This one sometimes you can find it down there. It's easy to locate the windshield washer, guys. The color is blue, and you can see that it looks like a sprinkler, like a shower. Okay, hose. Alright guys, there we go. There's no limit, guys. You can fill it up. Fill it up. There we go. Fill it up. There's no minimum maximum on this reservoir, guys. You can fill it up until it's full. Oh my god, it's empty, guys. Look. I put the whole gallon, guys. Alright, and it's still empty. Wow, I use up all the water. Alright everybody, that's how you add windshield washer in this car. You can fill it up on the top if you want, all the way to the top if you want. There you go. There's not enough here,